Great work takes time. Making the world's best sounding records requires plenty of it and exacting attention to detail. For more than 5 decades, Mobile Fidelity Sound Lab, an independent reissue label that ultimately performs the delicate roles of archival curator and historic preservationist, has been releasing the definitive versions of many of the greatest albums in history. True to our name, Mobile Fidelity goes straight to the source. When circumstances dictate that master tapes cannot be sent to our private California studio, our full-time engineers book a hotel, hop on a plane, and travel to the tapes, a process that's virtually unheard of in the reissue industry. We've jetted around the US and overseas to perform on-site captures. Being mobile is part of our identity. What do you pack for a trip? Our checklist and luggage probably looks a little different. A Studer A80 tape machine, repro electronics, analog to digital converter, digital audio workstation, headphone amp, and more are sent with a specialized shipping company to our destination. You've likely seen pictures of the square boxes that contain master tapes. Faded handwriting and time-worn packaging give them a mysterious, exotic aura. When opening these fragile cardboard treasure chests, we treat the contents with utmost care. No detail is too small. Proper tape transfer involves significantly more than the push of a button. Adhering to techniques developed over decades of experience, we spend at least one day transferring each tape and patiently work to ensure everything is done right. Every time there's an edit on a tape, we hit stop and dial it in. We confirm everything, sonically and visually, using custom tools such as an oscilloscope and spectrum analyzer. We repeat these steps again and again until we achieve perfection. A precision archival DSD transfer that is virtually indistinguishable from the master. We then take this transfer and master entirely in the analog domain. The importance of azimuth accuracy, where we mirror the angle of the original recording head with exacting precision during the labor-intensive transfer process, cannot be overstated. Our methodology allows us to match azimuth with laser-like focus and leads to recordings featuring 3-dimensional sound stages, generous headroom, and realistic separation. This DSD file gives us many advantages. We can endlessly tweak and adjust it. We can make multiple passes for setting Dolby alignment, EQ adjustment, and cutting levels. None of this is possible with original analog master tapes, whose fragile condition subjects them to potential deterioration and damage with each pass. Our approach represents the best of all worlds and allows us to continue our role as historical caretakers that safeguard, preserve, and respect the irreplaceable original. Mobile Fidelity's California studio is home to all 3 Tim DePeravicini tape reproducer electronics machines in existence, as well as a state-of-the-art cutting system also devised by the renowned engineer. The mechanism's extensive bandwidth means we can extract abundant information and often undetected nuances from the original recording. Critical elements like secondary harmonics, microtones, and low-frequency depth, aspects that make music sound lifelike, vibrant, dynamic, and present, are audible on Mobile Fidelity reissues because of our inimitable processes and equipment. Put simply, if it's on the original tape, we capture it. We cut our lacquers with the same elevated level of care. Mobile Fidelity is unique for removing the filters and limiters that protect our cutter head. Though the decision means we run the risk of damaging the cutter head, it allows us to cut to the maximum level. The reward, the finest sounding records available, is worth it.